Welcome to this little adventure!
Hi, I'm Nathan. Hi, I'm Matthew.
I'm Mommy Cat.
Hi, I'm Daddy John.
Join us as we take you through our little adventure. Hello everyone, so this is Nathan's tablet, and so was Matthew have his own tablet. So we noticed that this kid has been doing this.
Hey guys, Matthew's a Nerf gun. Here's a deep play zone video for deep play zone.
So we find out that they've been using their tablet to do some videos for our vlog. So as you can see, they have a lot of videos here, and because of this, you guys will see it from here that they do have really a lot of videos from their tablet that they are vlogging, and it seems like they really enjoy doing these things. So Daddy John and I decided that we are going to surprise the kids.
Hi.
Can you see that?
Video. Well, it's the deep play zone.
So we ordered some stuff from Amazon, and we're gonna unbox it for you guys, and the kids is going to be surprised for what Mommy and Daddy got for them.
Hi guys!
Hi.
So I'm here today with Nathan and Matthew. We're gonna open their new surprise that we just got. It's something.
Do not tell me.
Don't tell you? Okay. It's something we decided to get after we found out they've been videoing their playing time on their tablet.
And you already tell me. And I know
Okay.
that I can't.
Well, it's a secret. Let's find out, okay?
I have a Washington new version.
So, if you guys haven't heard, we have a new channel. It's called The Play Zone.
Yeah.
It's Nathan's and Matthew's own channel. They're gonna be playing all sorts of toys and adventures in there. So if you haven't, go check it out and like and subscribe their videos. So here we go. You ready, boys?
Yeah. You shouldn't have told me this whole time.
Oh, I didn't tell you.
I already know what it is.
But it's supposed to be a secret. How are you so smart?
Because you've been telling it to my mom.
Well, I told it to Mommy, but not to you.
Well, I already know this. The camera.
So this is their own
What?
equipment.
Yes.
I knew it. The camera. Hello, green.
So just so you guys know, this is what the stuff that we buy with our own funds. It's not sponsored by any of these companies. So first thing I want to show you guys, very simple. It's a 128 gigabyte SD card for the tool that we bought for Nathan and Matthew. The only equipment.
What is that?
A holder for the camera.
Nathan, it's not called a holder. It is called a tripod.
What's a tripod?
This is a little tripod for the tool that they're gonna have.
But it goes up.
So let me show you guys. It's very basic. It extends 3 times, 4 times actually.
What? you just use it like
So
that.
as you can see, it's Amazon Basic brand. You can see the logo here. It's very basic. It's turn up and down and sideways. It's got a
turn around. A screw. Let's turn around.
and all the way around. Yes, up and down. Oh, and it extends up in the middle too, which I think we can lock that as well. Yes. Mommy might end up using this sometime, but I would not recommend it for heavier camera or camcorder. It doesn't seem like it will support heavier equipment. Of course, it's got the leveler there, so you know that you're even. So there we go. And then the last thing I will show you is
camera.
it's a 4K ultra high definition camcorder.
4K.
Look at it.
Huh?
Nathan Matthew, look.
Look, Nathan Matthew.
Let me show me how to.
I will show you how to use it off camera though.
Daddy did it. Yeah. Do it off camera.
We will just talk about what's in here first, okay?
Okay.
So,
It's heavy.
yes, first thing first, boys, let Daddy talk first. Don't slam that down. So, of course, we got the instruction manual, and then we got the carry pouch for the actual camcorder.
This is for the camera. The camcorder is that.
Yes, it's very nice. So this is the, I believe the brand is Better Life.
Yeah.
It's Better Life camcorder. I think you can search it up. It's on Amazon. It's just Better Life for the brand. Very
I think.
sleek for the price. I think we got it for.
Yay!
I will just put the price up.
Okay. So it's very sleek. It's got a 3-inch LCD on the side. And it, like most camcorder, it's hold, or if you put it on the tripod, it will stand there.
Let's
Very
try on
simple.
that. Let's try this. Let's try this on that.
Hold on.
The other side is
Lens box.
The lens box.
you want to get close.
And we got a little mic. Matthew, hey. Matthew.
You do not have to.
We got a little microphone for the camera as well.
I can talk. Now you can talk from in here.
Got a battery.
Battery? This is also a battery.
And we got a HDMI cable.
Okay, no.
That's to connect to a TV or
This.
possibly projector and stuff.
Or they can connect there.
USB
That is just a
and what is this one?
Stabilizer bracket.
Stabilizer.
Wait.
Bracket.
They also do this. Nice actually not done.
It's a handheld stabilizer bracket.
I know it is.
Comes with everything, huh?
I know this one. See. This is touchy mode. Wow. And I think so. Daddy, this is
So-
touchy mode.
So we'll be holding it like this. Okay.
And I think the camera can go on that.
And yes, it does come with a
Remote.
remote for viewing.
Yeah. I really like this.
So it's a cheap camcorder, but it has great rating. That's why we chose it. It comes with almost, if not everything that you need. It will be a fun learning tool for the kids to start their
And
video
with,
recording adventure.
yeah, without unboxing.
Yes, they will be using it mainly to record themselves playing and outside, indoor and outdoor.
Also,
Very sleek. I like it. It's
okay. I really want to try that on.
it does have Wi-Fi
Connect.
connect. I don't know exactly what the Wi-Fi connect does. I'm assuming like you can stream it. Yes, I think I think people do use it for streaming, like
You turn it on now.
what do you call that?
Live streaming.
Live streaming, or for like Zoom call and all that live stream stuff.
There's also a video.
Yes. Okay, mommy. I'm gonna try and put on the battery and try to turn it on, show you guys a little bit. I hope I don't have to charge the battery, but we'll see.
That's the same one.
Yes, it is.
No, we don't need to charge the battery.
Yeah.
You have to get switch the battery.
Let me put the memory card in.
Memory card?
Yes, it does need a memory card so it can save all the videos.
Look, I built this one out. I built it. Memory card.
Yeah, thank you.
I built a piece card.
Okay.
Ooh. I want to see it.
Wait.
I just want the memory card in there. Wait, the memory card. Yep. Wait, the memory for this.
Okay. Well, that's the mount for the...
What's that?
This is the microphone.
I will. I'm gonna take it later. Oh no. Just that word.
It's not.
There. So I think you need to light it early. Then I'm just thinking you to see it. Not so silly. Is that how you do it?
Okay, we need to keep everything together, okay, boys?
Okay. You can have this on there.
Alright. I think I got everything I needed in here.
Did you put battery on the microphone?
Yay!
Okay.
At the top.
So guys, that is it for our unboxing of the kids camcorder recording tools. You will see their videos, their own videos of their of themselves recording from time to time in their own channel, the Play Zone.
I'm going to show you my
Please come check it out if you haven't, and please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to the Play Zone. Thanks for watching.
Watching.